how to apply a fall and bounce motion effect to a logo image file in DaVinci Resolve 17.4. Inside your Edits window, holding Ctrl and press I to insert an image file of your choice. Use Command instead of Ctrl if you are a Mac user. Inside your Media pool, find the thumbnail of the image file that you have selected. Click and drag this to your Edits timeline. Go to Effects, and underneath Toolbox, select Video Transitions. Scroll down to Fusion Transitions to find Fall and Bounce. Click and drag one of these transition filters to the start of your image edit. Select the frame representing your fall and bounce effect. Go to Inspector, and under Transition, find the transition duration, which you can change by clicking in either the seconds or framed boxes and modifying the values. By default, the original animation effect should last for 1 second. To add a motion blur effect to your fall and bounce animation, tick Motion Blur. Increasing the quality creates duplicates of your chosen image file and surrounds the original image on screen with these to enhance the blur effect. Increasing the shutter angle spreads the graphic samples out further in accordance to the fall angle that the user sets. Increasing the center bias basically shifts the graphic the opposite way to which it's moving. So when the graphic is folding towards its final position, for example, increasing the variable value here will shift the graphic back slightly towards its original position, from where it started moving from. When the graphic bounces away from its landing position in its animation sequence, increasing the value here on the other hand will shift the graphic back towards its landing position. The change in position is more obvious if a motion blur is showing. Increasing the sample spread enhances the strength of each of your graphic duplicates used to create the motion blur. As a result, in this increase, the graphics themselves will become less blurry. To strengthen the blur effect instead, decrease the value for this variable, but avoid reducing this value to 0, as this may result in your graphic disappearing entirely. The background music for this video is provided by the proud channel sponsor AUDIIO. A link to the company's website, and also another link which will provide a discounted purchase of a lifetime supply of music and sound effects, can be found in this video's description box. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. If you enjoyed the content and wish to be notified about future uploads on this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.